If you're seeing an MSN privacy error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes you can try in under a minute and a half. These steps can help clear permission issues, refresh stored site data, and get MSN.com loading properly again. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, open MSN in your browser and look at the address bar. Click the lock icon right next to MSN.com. This opens the site's security and permission options. From there, click Site Settings. Inside the site settings, look for the option to delete data or clear the site's stored data. This can remove broken cookies or permission conflicts that are causing the privacy error. After you delete the data, go back to the page and refresh it. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still there, move on to method 2. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data. You can also choose the time range you want to clear, but for the best results, remove the stored data that may be affecting MSN. Then click Clear Data. Once that finishes, reload MSN.com and check if the page opens normally. If it still shows the privacy error after both steps, then the problem is likely not your account at all. It may be a browser issue, an extension conflict, or even a network problem. In that case, try a different browser, disable extensions, or check your internet connection. So to recap, first try the site settings and delete the MSN data, then clear cookies and site data from your browser and refresh the page. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.